Hello dear students. Today in this video we will learn about the ionic compounds. Ionic compounds, how are they structured and what are the properties of ionic compounds? As we know that ionic compounds are formed by the transfer of electrons from one element to other element. Therefore, there is strong electrostatic force of attraction between ionic compounds. When these oppositively charged ions come closer, they form three-dimensional structure. Each ion is surrounded by a positively charged ion, forming a three-dimensional layer. For example, in sodium chloride, in this structure, each green color represents sodium ion and each red color represents chloride ion, and these layers formed a three-dimensional structure due to which there is strong electrostatic force of attraction. Now, the properties of ionic compounds. Basically, there are two properties. First is high melting and boiling point. Second is electrical conductivity when they are in molten state or when they dissolved in water. So first is high melting and boiling point. All the ionic compounds, they are having strong electrostatic force. Therefore, they are having solid structure due to which their melting and boiling point is very high. We have to supply a lot amount of energy to break them. On the other hand, when these ionic compounds are in molten state or when they dissolve in water or any other solvent, their electrons are free to move, due to which they conduct electricity or they are good conductor of electricity. These are two basic properties. Now, how do we write the formula of an ionic compound? For example, sodium chloride. In sodium chloride, sodium is having 1 unit positive charge as well as chloride is having 1 unit negative charge. When they combine, they form NaCl molecule. Next is magnesium chloride. In magnesium chloride, magnesium is having 2 unit positive charge, whereas chloride is having 1 unit negative charge. So, to balance 2 unit positive charge, we need 2 negative charge. So, its formula is magnesium chloride or MgCl2. But for complex structure or for complex ionic compound, for example, calcium hydroxide or aluminium sulfate, in these compounds, ions are not in elementary state, they are complex. For this, we have to memorize their symbol. For example, the symbol of hydroxide ion is OH and symbol for sulfate ion is SO4 2 negative. When calcium combined with hydroxide, here to balance 2 unit positive charge we needs 2 negative charge. So its formula is CaOH twice. In the similar way, the formula of aluminium sulfate, the charge on aluminium is +3 and the charge on sulfate ion is -2. To equalize them, we have to multiply each other so that each charge is 6. So, there are 2 aluminium ions and 3 sulfate ion, so that total positive charge as well as total negative charge is 6. Hence, the formula for aluminium sulfate is Al2SO4 thrice, because we have to equalize both positive as well as both negative charge. Here the formula becomes Al2SO4 thrice. In the similar way, the formula for nitrate ion is NO3 and carbonate is CO3 2 negative. In the similar way, ammonium is NH4 positive.